Welcome to week 19 of 52 of Stock Roulette, where I invest around $50 a week randomly into one stock. I just load this week's top 10 pick into pickrandom.com and give it a spin, and then we talk about why that stock is on my top 10 list for that week. Many companies have been reporting some great earnings again and again, but the FUD continues in the market despite good earnings. So this is not the time to pull out some margin, that's for sure. The talks of inflation are still lurking in the markets, causing a growth in tech to still sell off, for now anyway. But a couple days ago, the low jobs report should calm the fears of inflation actually happening sooner than later, hopefully. I'm still bullish in these sectors, and I may not see a reversal as soon as I anticipated, but I still think it'll come. Who knows, maybe this summer the fears will cool down even more and the momentum will return back to growth in tech. All right, let's roll. And here we go. Sorry, my dog is going nuts in the background. XPEV, good pick. This week's pick is Xpeng Incorporated, ticker XPEV. Xpeng is a Chinese EV car company that has also been hit very hard during this recent chip shortage and sell-off. When I say it's hit hard, it was in the upper 20s this week in the price, where it was actually up in the 70s as early as February of this year. EVs have had a crazy sell-off with a lot of short-term traders due to tech growth sell-off as well as this chip shortage putting the cherry on top. Cathy Wood from ARK Invest believes that EV sales are going to grow 80% year over year, and China happens to be the biggest EV space. And this company seems to be doing some amazing things. Let's talk about it. It was founded in 2015. Xpeng is a Chinese smart electric vehicle company that designs, develops, manufactures, and markets smart EVs in China. They currently offer two vehicles, the P7 sedan and the G3 crossover. The P7 has a 438 miles of range with fast charging capabilities, giving you 75 miles of charge in literally just 10 minutes. This thing is literally a computer on wheels. The interior has in-car application system that is an open source for new app developers. The sky's the limit with that kind of potential. It has 18 speaker sound system, many more creature comforts. The exterior has Xpilot 3.0, giving the car full self-driving capability, and it even has a lidar built in. It is an all-wheel drive system with intelligent, active, continuous dampening control, making rough roads a thing in the past. You will feel like you're just gliding in a spaceship and driving one of these things. The G3 crossover will give you 323 miles of range. This thing too is a bit euphoric when it comes to technology, with not only one but 3 touchscreens in this car. It has AI Smart Assistant, everything built into this but the kitchen sink. I can go on forever. And they say it's one of the safest vehicles on the road today, including the technology part. It has cloud, chip, and mobile data security, all built into the software. Also, when you're buying the G3, you're going to get 50% discount for supercharging for 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. So after you buy these cars, the remote intelligent diagnostic system detects and solves your problems effectively. It upgrades your driving experience regularly on the fly and seamlessly. There is very little maintenance to these cars to worry about for the life of the car. And in China, the government support is tremendous among the EV space. Going forward, XPEV, NIO, and Li intend to list in the Hong Kong market this year. This is a strategic move that's going to make the valuation in these companies less susceptible to US political bashing. And everyone knows if it wasn't for the government, NIO may not be where it is today, which I'm glad they are here today. I absolutely love NIO. They were on our pick a few weeks back. I'll link the video above if you guys want to check that video out. And now NIO is like the 4th or 5th biggest automotive company as a whole in the entire world. So XPEV has entered into agreement with the city of Wuhan to build a factory with expected capacity of over 100,000 EV limits. And they're reportedly growing to record quarterly deliveries of 13,340 EVs in Q1, which is up 487% year over year and 130% over the month of March. Even the operating margin started to see some major improvements. Between January of 2020, it was a negative 142%, and December of 2020 of just negative 39%. And meanwhile, the balance sheet is expected to remain strong as well. The equity to total liabilities is 23% as of December 2020. The company is transitioning from losing money to being profitable this year already. And for an auto company to start doing this just 6 years of being in the business is just unheard of. Just ask Tesla. And the stock is currently trading closer to its August 2020 level when it was only $22. There's a lot of potential here to double in the near future. And Xpeng is a relatively small player in a vast industry, but with an expansion of production capacity, the company should surprise you with delivery numbers every quarter going going forward, and hopefully surpass the expectations of the industry analysts. Xpeng is expected to report their first quarter results May 13th here in a couple days. And if the company beats analyst expectations, the stock will climb higher. But with the way that the markets have been behaving lately, it's hard to say what's going to happen. All I know is it's a great investment opportunity for long-term potential. All right, let's go make a quick purchase. Okay, let's hop over here and make a quick purchase. XPEV. Okay, here we go. We're going to market buy. We're going to force it in the day, do a quantity of 2. It'll be $52.72. There we go. We're all set. Okay, guys, please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do all your research before you purchase anything. And as all the videos, I always wear one of my custom designer dress shirts. This is my primary business. We make custom American-made designer dress shirts. I'm going to link them below if you guys want to check them out. And I also hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have many more videos to come. I'm working on another video series on something else. So I hope you guys like this for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.